Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Microsoft PowerToys on your computer absolutely for free. So for downloading that, first what you have to do is open Microsoft Store. So here you can see Microsoft Store is showing. Now let me open this. So as you can see, I have opened the Microsoft Store. Now on the search bar, search here for PowerToys. So here you can see Microsoft PowerToys is showing. Now click on it. So by clicking on install, you can download Microsoft PowerToys absolutely for free. So this is how you can download Microsoft PowerToys on your computer absolutely for free. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.